This is the BILT card, SKUTMA562, and this mower is unacceptable. First of all, let's look at the starting and stopping instructions. If you look carefully, they're both the same, exactly the same. There is no starter on this. It's just a cable. The problem that everyone has starting this engine is very simple. The pull length on this thing is about 6 feet. Watch. And this is trying to get the mower. This is the issue that everyone has with it. You can't get it started. And then if you do manage to pull this cable out, the compression stroke is all the way back here. That is 6 feet, 4.5 inches. Your arm is only 2.5 feet long. You have to have an almost 4-foot arm to start this. This is unacceptable, absolutely unacceptable. 2 people would be required to start this damn thing. I want my money back. I am returning this for a full refund. I will not buy another one.